Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good burrito sauce. Crafting a truly delicious burrito sauce begins with selecting the right components. You'll want fresh, vibrant ingredients to ensure a rich and authentic taste. Think about a base of ripe tomatoes or smoky roasted chilies, as these provide the foundational flavor for your amazing sauce, making all the difference. Once your base ingredients are ready, it's time to build the flavor. Begin by sautéing about 1 cup of finely diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a tablespoon of oil until they are soft and fragrant. Then, stir in your chosen spices, perhaps 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and a pinch of cayenne pepper, cooking for about 1 minute to awaken their aromas. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Pour in about 2 cups of liquid, like vegetable broth or pureed tomatoes, stirring well to combine. Let the sauce gently simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, use an immersion blender or a regular blender to achieve your preferred texture, whether smooth or slightly chunky. Before serving, taste your sauce and adjust the seasoning as needed with salt, pepper, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in about 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped cilantro. Serve this delicious sauce warm over your burritos, or store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.